If you watch the previous video, you may have started noticing your feelings, your fears, and your strength. Today, we are going to talk about something very important: how to protect yourself without putting yourself in danger. Many people say, just speak up, just say no. But it's not that simple, is it? Because you are not just dealing with one person. You are dealing with family, expectations, pressure, and fear. So today, we are not going to talk about fighting. We are going to talk about small, safe boundaries. First, let's understand something. A boundary is not shouting. It is not disrespect. It is not breaking relationships. A boundary is simply saying, this is what I am okay with, and this is what I am not okay with. Now ask yourself gently, where do I feel most uncomfortable right now? Is it the way someone speaks to you? Is it constant pressure for money or dowry? Is it being blamed or controlled? You don't have to fix everything. Just pick one small situation. Now, let's make this practical. I'm going to give you simple sentences you can use. Not aggressive, not emotional, just calm and clear. If someone pressures you for dowry or money, you can say, I understand what you're saying, but I am not comfortable with this. If they continue, I need some time to think about this. If someone speaks to you disrespectfully, I want to have this conversation, but not in this tone. If you feel overwhelmed, can we talk about this later? I need some time. Notice something important. You are not shouting. You are not blaming. You are just creating space for yourself. Now, I want to be honest with you. When you start setting boundaries, people may not like it. They may react. They may try to make you feel guilty. They may say things like, you have changed. You are disrespectful. This is your duty. This is very important. Their reaction does not mean you are wrong. It often means they are not used to you having a voice. But we also need to be careful. Your safety comes first. If you feel that speaking directly may cause harm, you can choose softer boundaries. Like staying silent in that moment, walking away, delaying the conversation. These are also boundaries. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. You are allowed to protect your peace, quietly. Now let's do something together. Think of one situation where you feel uncomfortable. Just one. Now choose one sentence that you feel safe enough to say. Not the strongest one, just the safest one. You can even practice it in your mind or write it down. Remember, you are not trying to win an argument. You are trying to take care of yourself. And even if your voice shakes, even if you say it imperfectly, it still counts. You are learning something new. And that takes courage. After this video, your small step is this. Choose one boundary and practice saying it. You don't have to use it immediately. Just practice. We will take this one step at a time. You are not alone in this. And you are allowed to have limits. Take care of yourself gently.